guys, Mama here, running out a bit of steam today because the rain just won't stop. To cheer us up, what are we doing, Hannah?
Making bacon. Anybody noticed how I got a black eye? It's because I was in my bed, but then I slipped, walked, and then all of a sudden I couldn't think I was going to go into the floor. But then the part of the edge of it, I fell down and I got a black eye.
Oh boy. What's happening today?
Avoiding rain. Raced out there before, girls. Not quite in those conditions.